because I tend to use my finger. I'm a fingerer. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down the comments below how your day is going. Mine's doing all right. If you read from my title, we are going to be unboxing the August 2019 GlitzGlam Box. So if you don't know what this is a $15 a month subscription, which I love the price. And the owner of this company is from New Jersey. This is based out in New Jersey, where I am from. So I'm definitely excited for that. And I noticed right off the back, the packaging is different. I actually love this packaging. I really do. I prefer this better than the other one. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, it says GlitzGlamBox.com. We don't do basic. I really like this box this month. I hope this is their future boxes. All right, let me cut this puppy open and see what we got in the August 2019 GlitzGlam Box. All right, so when you open her up, that's what it looks like, just like this. So you definitely get a product card, and then it also gives you prices. And then it looks like this, so you have a little sticker on it. Let's take that out of the box. All right, so that's what it looks like. So let's open her up and see. All right, so we got 4 items this month. I believe sometimes you get like, I think the most I've ever got was like 4 or 5. I'm not sure, but you usually get about 4 things, so that's good. All right, the first thing that I am seeing is this. This is illuminating liquid drops from Clean Color. So this retail value is for $2.50. All right. I've tried a few things from Clean Color that I really didn't care for, but I've never tried this, so let's try it. All right, so it just says Beam Boost on it, and I guess that's the color right there. I don't know. Let's open her up. Why can't I open it up? All right. Oh, I see. It is packaged pretty good, so that's good. All right. I don't know what it is, but I've unboxed a few boxes, and I've been having problems all day today opening stuff up. All right, so there we go. So let's open her up and see what it looks like. All right, so it looks like this. Let's put it on here. I'm only gonna put a this is not what I was expecting. Oh my God, let me put some. I thought, because if you look at the color, look at that. And then even when you look at it, it looks like white, like clear. But this is really pretty. Okay, so let me show you. That is really nice. So look, it looks like that, but it has like purple and look at that, guys. I don't know what you can see with these lights, but it is sheer. Let's see. I don't know if you are going to, let me put a little bit more on. But it does have glitter in it. It looks like it definitely does. I'm gonna put a lot on so that I can build it up because it is kind of sheer. If you guys can see that. It is absolutely pretty. You can't really see it on the camera, and it's a shame because when I tell you how pretty this is, it's like a purplish pink. I got to get better lighting. Maybe you can see it there. It is so pretty. What I would probably use this for is on my eyes. I definitely would use this on my eyes. All right, so that's really pretty. I'm definitely excited, and it's only $2.50. So if I like it, I can buy some. They're only $2.50, but because it's so sheer, I will already probably put an eyeshadow on first on my lids and then go in with this. All right, so that's pretty cool. All right, so then you always get lashes. Now, I don't wear lashes, but my daughter does, so I usually give them to her. So this is from Seal, I guess, C-I-L, and right there, and they are really, really pretty. I mean, if I wore lashes, I'd probably wear something like that. I think they're really pretty. And these are $3. So these are Seal by Offa, not Ofra, Offa, O-F-F-A, and $3. Okay. The next thing we got is a shader brush from Dainty Cosmetics, and this is $4. And oh, that's really pretty. That is really, really pretty. And it's just a shader brush, you know, it's the pack on, you know, shimmer or anything like that. Or you can use this if you contour your nose, anything, you know, you can use these for. Just because it says a shader brush, like I said, you can use this for anything. All right, so I'll never knock brushes. But the star of your show is a palette. So you always get some sort of palette with this subscription. And I love the fact that it's only $15. So this is a fantasy palette by Yes Glitters. This is $36. So right here, you paid for the box. I've never heard of this either. So this is Yes Glitters and collab with Christina Rice makeup. All right, let's see what this looks like. All right, so it comes with a mirror, and there we go. Now, I say this a lot. I am not fond with getting pressed glitters in a palette, but that is just my personal opinion. Some people love it. And the colors are okay. They're not bad. I think anybody could wear it because you have your neutrals, and then you have like your blues and your greens. So let's swatch a couple and see. But I'll tell you what, they feel very buttery. They really do. I'm just going to pick out a few. There we go. This purple here is a shimmer. Oh, yeah. These are nice. Yes. They are really nice. I can't get it. That is nice. I've never heard of this company for this brand. All right, let me swatch a couple more and just see. And then I'll do also like a glitter. All right, so let's swatch here. This is the glitter there. Oh my God, that blue one is beautiful. It's like a teal. The purple one, not so much, but then we have the glitter. I love this palette. I don't know if I would pay $36 because I've never heard of this indie brand, but they are really nice that I will actually go look online. Of the Yes Glitters is the brand name. I will definitely go online and see what else, what other kind of palettes they have. This orange one, oh my God. I think it's really pretty. Now, I haven't tried it on my eyes, of course, so it may not work, and it may, but I really love this palette made it for me. The past couple months, I haven't been too like impressed with this subscription. I almost canceled, but I'm glad I didn't. So I hope that it continues to get this good, and I'll continue to get it for $15. You can't beat that. So that's everything. Let me know down in the comments below, do you get this subscription? If you do, what do you think of it? Do you think it's worth $15 or what? Let's recap what we got. So we got this palette. We got this shader brush. I wish, now this is me being picky, I wish it was more of a fluffy brush, like a blending brush, more than a shader brush, because I tend to use my finger. I'm a fingerer. I'm a fingerer, you know, but some people don't like to use their fingers. All right, Anne, my mind is going to be like a 12-year-old. But I'll never not getting brushes. I think that they are definitely nice. You can always use a brush. And we got the lashes, which they're really pretty. And like I said, I give them to my daughter, so it's a win-win. And what else did we get? Oh, the liquid drops, which, ooh, that's how excited I am. I really thought this was pretty. I mean, by just looking at it, I was like, oh, I don't know. But that purplish pink color is really, really pretty. I tend to not wear those colors as highlighters, but then again, you could put it on your lip as well. You don't have to just wear it as a highlight. You can put it on your lip. But what I'm going to definitely try is on my eyes, but because it's so sheer, like I said, I'm gonna go in first with like a eyeshadow shadow first and then put this on. But yeah, I definitely think I got my $15 worth this month. I really can't complain. I like it. So let me know in the comments down below. All the tea, what do you think of this? Should I keep it going? Should I cancel it? I don't know. But that's everything, guys. I have a few giveaways going on, so make sure that you check them out. There are 3 right now going on, so I will leave them right here. And so I'll also leave it in my description box, the link to the giveaways. So make sure that you subscribe. And rate this video, thumbs it up or thumbs it down, but do one or the other because it does help me out. Make sure that you comment, let me know what you think of this, and let me know how your day is, don't forget. And turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all my future videos and giveaways, because I have a few more coming up, because I know YouTube isn't doing that anymore. So that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.